it. She believes that if you can dream it, you can do it. She wants to become an accountant someday. Ladies and gentlemen, our Miss San Jose Elementary School 2025, Jenny Ispe Fernandez Gomez. A round of applause.
He was born on March 11, 2014. Hassan is the son of Mr. Hassan Ibrahim Ali and Miss May Pongan. He is a grade 5 pupil. He believes that if others can, why can't I? He wants to become an engineer someday. Ladies and gentlemen, our first prince, our Mr. San Jose Elementary School 2025. Hassan Pongan Ali.